How to fix muted sound on any TikTok video. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we will learn how we can fix muted sound on any TikTok video. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, check your volume on your mobile device. Make sure that your media volume is turned up, not ringtone or media. So press your volume up key and check your volume. If that's not your case, and if still you're not able to hear the sound, you have to close and reopen the TikTok. So close the application completely and reopen it and check if this reset any audio glitches or not. If that still does not help you or if still no sound, restart your phone. Press your power button, restart your phone, and it will clear any temporary bugs that may be the reason why you're not hearing the sound on TikTok video. If that still does not help you, then you have to clear the TikTok cache. For that, open up settings in your device, head over to apps, tap on the search icon at the top right, or tap on see all apps, then head over to search icon at the top right. Now search for TikTok. Tap on stories and cache, and here tap on clear cache. Once you clear your cache, go back and reopen the TikTok and check if the issue is fixed or not. If still not, make sure that the application is up to date. For that, you have to open up Play Store, tap on the search icon at the bottom right, and in the search bar, search for TikTok. And make sure that the application is up to date. And if that still does not help you, check if the sound is available in your region. If the sound is not available, then it may be muted by TikTok due to copyright. So in that case, you cannot do anything. So these are some of the ways that will help you fix if you have a muted sound on any TikTok video. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.